What's up everyone, Jordan here, and in a few weeks I'm going to go on my first hunt of the fall. It's an archery mule deer hunt. I wanted to go through some of the core pieces that I wear and then what I'm going to be taking with me every day as well. So first things first, the footwear that you take on a hunt is really important, especially a mountain hunt like this. So I'm gonna take the Crispy Altitude boot. It's a really good crossover between comfort and some flex, but it's really rigid as well. So heavy packs and steep terrain is gonna be no problem for that thing. And then the First Light Trace pant, a warm weather, highly breathable type pant that does have hip vents so you can dump heat really quick. And then the Wick hoodie. This is a staple on every hunt that I do, early to late season. And it's really nice to be able to flip the hood up when you're glassing, keeps the sun off your neck, off your ears, and it's just a staple piece for me, always has been. And then the Trace shirt to go right along with the pants. Highly breathable material. It's really good at just cutting that little bit of wind in the mornings, and then it makes a really good stocking shirt as well. Then for optics, I carry the SIG Zulu 9 11x45s. I love these binoculars. I have a bino stud for them so I can put them on my tripod as well. And carrying those in the FHF fob harness. And then of course a rangefinder. This is the SIG 8K rangefinder. And then also attached to my bino harness is my inReach. So this is a Garmin inReach. If anything happens, if I get a flat tire, if there's a change of plans and I don't have service, I can check in with people and let them know what I'm doing. And then if there's a real catastrophe, I can always have the option to hit the SOS button. And then going right along with optics, mule deer hunt, I really want to be able to pick apart antlers. So I'm going to take the Oscar 8 80mm spotting scope from SIG. And then a good set of tripod legs and head to match that. So this is a Slick 624 tripod with the Outdoorsman's pan head. So that pretty much rounds out like core items, what I'm going to be taking with me on this mule deer hunt.